Hey everybody, it's Alan. Hope that you are doing well. I'm recording this video on December 12th. I just heard on the news, not just a few minutes ago, that the great actor, Mr. Andre Braugher, passed away today. He was 61 years old. And what a tremendous talent. He's one of those actors that when you saw him on screen, you didn't forget him. You really didn't forget him. Whether it be in a really heavy drama movie like the movie Glory about the Civil War, whether you're talking about a TV show with isn't as heavily intense as a show like Homicide, Life on the Streets, or a comedy like Brooklyn Nine-Nine, the man just had such a tremendous range of skills and talent. It is incredible. I was reminded a few months ago about him singing a song in a movie, and I wanted to play that for you now. Here is Andre Braugher singing his rendition a cappella of the song Freebird.
And what tune can you spend for your night, Mr. King?
I'm gonna make my own music tonight, man. This song is for a friend of mine. He taught me to drive.
If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? For I must be traveling on now, 'cause there's too many places I've got to see. For if I stay here with you now, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you cannot change. Oh, and this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can change. Lord knows. I can change.
I'm going to cut that right there just because I don't want to give away what happens in the movie here. Obviously, I had to shrink the box down. Hopefully, this gets through any kind of copyright issue, but I can't think of a more fitting tribute to phenomenal talent than him singing Freebird in such an emotional, heartfelt way. Though it was a scene from a movie, and it should give you some kind of idea of the depth of his talents, it's rather apropos on a day like this, learning of his passing. Rest easy, Andre. You are truly a free bird now. Please feel free to leave a comment. We can talk about it further. Just know that I appreciate you, and I wish you well. Take care.